Not be every time person say they need they stay hours for kitchen before you go make your stew. Not be every time go they use cow tail, cow leg, momo shaki, everything till they make your stew before you go make am delicious. No, don't get me wrong, my people. I not say using cow tail or cow leg to make your stew say e not dey good. Me, I dey use other one till they make stew as well. But sometimes you just need to make pa stew. Still, wey no go take you up to 30 minutes, you don comot for kitchen, don't even eat belle full, go relax, you understand? Na be wetin we wan make. So as you can see on this video, this stew we wan make, so my people, no meat inside, just only fish, and no tomato paste, no tomatoes, just only bell pepper. As you can see on this video, if I tell you that this stew, the aroma alone is giving already. We have not even started though, but the aroma, it don't they give 100 over 100 minus 90. Let's dive into the video. So as you all can see, my people, this one are the stew preparation. Okay, guys. So I use just bell pepper and that long tete and onions. Now the wetin I use to make this my stew, one of the see. So after I don blend and finish, I come put am for that my soya milk bag to remove all the water inside, because that excess water I not get time to waste for my kitchen. And besides, if I waste that time, use my own gas take cook that water before I go come dry comot for inside this stew, the kind be when they go carry come for me. Maybe na full salary now I go take pay, you understand? Anyway, we move sha. So we don already start to dey make the stew now. So this one are my onions. Okay, guys, I can't put small butter for inside my pan. Can't use them. They fry this my onions just for 1 minute. In case if you want to try this method, just 1 minute. After that one, my people, I go remove and then step aside. They can't fry this my, what's it called, bell pepper, the green one and the yellow one. Now be waiting I use. What do you guys think? Look at it now. You see the way I take cut this my onions. You see that runabout. Now what we need for inside this stew. Now it be that one, my people. So this one are the bell pepper. Now go see fry am with butter just 1 minute, and after that one we go carry our stew come back again, because that stew when you see it never ready, you understand? So this one are the stew. I don't already put my melusa fish inside, get just one. So this one now na my microfish. When I fry this one, why the melusa I not fry am, but that one I put am for inside my hair fryer, you understand? So now make me put am inside, because that one it dey strong a little. So I want make that stew enter inside, make it penetrate inside, you understand? So as I can't test my stew, my people, the salt was not salty the way I want it. Now I can't add another salt, then add another seasoning powder. Beg, I can't add my powder mangi inside, you understand? Now this is the thing inside, guys. I don't already put the, what's it called, the bell pepper and the onions. Just turn at 2 minutes, I'll be a minute, your stew is ready. So my people, if you know say don't watch this video, Risha, it means say you enjoy it, but you don't want follow, you don't want like kilo the what's going on. Oh yeah, now help a sister, help a mother. As you do, may God highly bless you. And to my returning followers, I say may God bless you all as soon as they support you again. What do you think for this stew? No chicken, no cow tail, no gbogbo tigbe, just only fish and no tomatoes. Guys, the aroma is giving 100 over 100 minus 90. Thank you guys for watching, and see you